Number 7 says, the order is to add 30,000 units of heparin to 750 mLs D5W and infuse at 25 milliliters per hour. Find the dosage infusing per hour, and then is this within the normal daily range of 20,000 to 40,000 units? So our order is for 25 mLs per hour, and the strength is 30,000 units over 750 mLs. So I'm going to set up a proportion. And if we solve this, we get 1,000 units per hour. Then it says, is this within the normal daily range of 20,000 to 40,000 units? So this is actually the safe day range for all heparin. So not just question number 7, but really all of the questions from this chapter. So this is a day range, and this 1,000 is talking about 1 hour. So I actually need to multiply 1,000 by 24, because there's 24 hours in a day, to get how many units are infusing in 1 day. So this will be 24,000 units per day, which that is within this range. So yes.